Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for clicking on today's video, and I hope you all enjoy. I'll keep this intro pretty brief, just like normal, besides for the last video. But this is going to be what's called annoying things people do in traffic. It's probably going to be similar to a top 5 list, but yeah, I'll just start with the first one now. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy, and I'll start now. For number one, I'm just gonna have to go with camping in the left lane. It's like in pretty much all of my annoying drivers videos because it's just really annoying and a lot of people do it. But it's just nobody likes you if you do this. Just nobody on the road in front of you likes it. Your passengers don't like people having to wait behind them and just like gaining on you and like tailgating. You don't like that. It really is easiest just to get out of the left lane if you're not going to be like speeding a little bit. It's just, if you want to go the speed limit or slower speed, there's two other lanes most of the time. Just go in one of those. It's safer for everyone. You're going to enjoy the driving more. And it really is something I'd recommend for everyone, but it's just the most annoying thing you can do. So just please stop. I'm really enforcing this because I feel I get annoyed by this constantly. So even if I can stop one person from doing this, I feel like my job is done. Number two, I'm gonna have to go with people not paying attention to their turns, having to like move over multiple lanes, even when there's just not really space to move over multiple lanes. Like it's just, I kind of get sometimes you're like looking at the GPS, or not, they're not looking at the GPS, but like talking to a friend, and then you see like you're a mile away, and then you like start moving over towards your exit. But it's just like when you're like 0.2 miles away, or like the exit's right there, and you start moving, it's just like at some point you just gotta accept that you're gonna have to go to the next one and stop doing what you're doing because it's just like it is not safe, even with the cars moving slightly slower than normal. It's just nobody wants you there. And again, I feel like I'm saying this a lot, but just try and move out of the way. Or I guess you are trying to move out of the way, but try and move out of the way earlier whenever possible because whatever helps you helps other drivers, and that helps everyone. Number three, I'm gonna have to go with people who brake check, like especially in like bumper to bumper traffic, where where you like start moving a little bit, and people sometimes just slam on the brakes to slam on the brakes because they deem people are following too closely behind them, and it really is like you just don't want your car hit, even if you're thinking like, oh, I might get an insurance payout or anything. That's not gonna happen for a while, and you're gonna be straight carless. And bro. It's just not worth the stress for maybe to get one up on someone who was behind you, and now both of your cars are damaged. It's like genuinely like the most stupid crash dummy activity you can do. That it benefits no one. Your both of your rates are going up, and it's just like please don't do this. It feels like it should be common sense, but it isn't. But just if you ever think about brake checking someone in traffic, non traffic, just really think about the consequences of those actions before you do it, especially if they have a dash cam. I mentioned this a little bit before with like when I said people missing their exits, but this is gonna be with people just on their phones while driving in traffic. It could kind of be like fit with distracted driving, but specifically phones, I feel like it's worse than just talking to a passenger. But it's just like you will see that in traffic just because people are going slower. They might start texting, switching songs, doing this, that, or the other thing. You really shouldn't be doing that. And I would just recommend like maybe putting your phone in your pocket at most, just using like the CarPlay screen to like change the song or change the volume. It's just even when cars are moving slowly, it's just starting and stopping in 1 second could just have you doing bumping into someone's bumper, and then it's just again damage to the car that was pretty preventable. So I would just recommend not doing that whenever possible. So yeah, just don't use your phone. And now for the fifth reason, so it pretty much became another top 5 list. It's just if you ever want me just to make it like I don't know top 10, or just I list with the random numbers instead of five of them, please let me know in the comments. But it's just going to be not really looking at your mirrors before making any turns or lane changes. Which, I mean, people, I guess it's because it's at lower speeds, they just consider it like not really something you have to do. But it's like no matter what the speed you're going at, you should probably be looking at your mirrors just to make sure nobody's there. It's just a very easy thing you can do to like prevent any crashes and just stay way safer. And it's not something that's hard to do because it should just be like something you're normally doing. It shouldn't even be like an extra thing you have to think about. Like it's not that bad. But yeah, I think that's probably just gonna be it for the top five things. I hope you all enjoyed. And if you did enjoy it, all I can ask is that you leave a like and subscribe. And just please, if there's anything you'd like me to improve on this video, change things, add things, the new idea for the next video, or just anything, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to get right onto that to like make it into a video, change it, or just do whatever the comment says. I enjoy reading your comments, but thank you for just making it this far, even if you don't like and subscribe. It's just, yeah, you've done enough. You've watched pretty much the whole video. But thank you and peace.